Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, what if the smartest part of AI is the part we never see? Not the words it speaks, not the answers it prints, but the silent space in between where ideas form, collide,
and evolve.
This is the journey inside the latent space: foundation, evolution, mechanism, ability, and outlook by Xinlei Yu and Zhangquan Chen. A paper that doesn't just explain AI, it reveals how AI really thinks. We've been watching AI like it's writing a story, word by word, token by token, but here's the twist. That's not thinking, that's just speaking. The paper exposes a hidden truth. Language is just the surface. Underneath, there's a fast, fluid, continuous world where meaning isn't typed, it's encoded. Tokens are slow, discrete, and honestly inefficient. Latent space, it's smooth, compressed, and powerful, like switching from Morse code to telepathy. So let's step inside this hidden world. Imagine every sentence you type melting into a cloud of numbers. Not random, but structured, dense, alive. That's latent space. It's where context blends, meaning overlaps, and ideas exist all at once. Unlike language, it doesn't need grammar or order, it just is. The paper shows a powerful contrast. Explicit space, human-friendly, but rigid. Latent space, machine-native, flexible, expressive. And here's the magic. In latent space, a model doesn't just follow steps, it can explore multiple thoughts simultaneously, almost like thinking in parallel universes. Now the story gets deeper. This idea didn't just appear, it evolved. First, the prototype era, where researchers whispered, maybe models don't need to explain themselves. Then, formation, where math stepped in, proving that latent vectors can hold multiple reasoning paths at once. Then came expansion, and suddenly everything changed. Latent space started powering vision, memory, agents, even robots. And now we're in the outbreak phase, where models are no longer built around language, but around latent space itself. This isn't an upgrade, it's a rewrite of how intelligence is built. So how does this invisible engine actually run? The paper breaks it into 4 pillars. First, architecture. Some models now loop internally, refining thoughts silently before speaking. Second, representation. Latent variables can live inside the model or be injected from outside. Third, computation. Here's where it gets wild. Models can compress thoughts, expand them, or interleave them with language, like switching between thinking and talking. And fourth, optimization. Latent space can be shaped at every stage: training, fine-tuning, even during inference. So instead of a straight pipeline, it becomes a hidden cycle: input, latent thinking, output. That middle step, that invisible loop, is where intelligence lives. And what does this unlock? Not just better answers, but new abilities. Reasoning without words, planning without steps, seeing, remembering, collaborating, even acting in the real world. AI stops being a text generator and becomes a thinking system. But there's a shadow here. The more we move into latent space, the less we can see. No explanations, no trace, just outcomes. That's the pitfall. Practical tip: design systems that peek back into language when needed, so humans stay in the loop. So here's the unsettling thought. If intelligence no longer needs words, then maybe understanding it will require something beyond language too. And the real question is, are we ready to trust a mind we can't read? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay spark. See you in the next video.